how to withdraw money from Bitget to Spring Development Bank. Now, first of all, open the Bitget account, and now from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, scroll down a little bit, and now tap on P2P option. Now, after that, as you can see here, select the sell option, and now select the token that you want to withdraw. For this example, it will be USDT. After that, set the limit by tapping on limit, and now set the limit, for example, 100 USDT. Now tap on confirm. After that, from the top right corner, select the currency that you want to receive your money on. After that, tap on method to select your bank. From here, as you can see, search it will be Spring Development. Now tap on it. After that, you can here select the merchant by clicking on it, and now tap on go to settings. Now after that, tap on add to add your bank account, and now if you don't see your bank here, just search for it like that. So after you find it, just tap on it, and as you can see here, provide the username of your bank account, and now set the SDB your user ID of that bank, and now you can upload the QR code. After that, tap on confirm to add your Spring Development Bank. Now after you add your bank, now just go back as you can see here, and now tap on sell to receive your money. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Spring Development Bank. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.